Yeah, I can't show it. But yeah, it's. I mean, I did say Boston was gonna win, but I didn't think it was gonna be this lopsided. You know. Um, but yeah, now we just got the backups in there for both teams. Outside of Pritchard, Pritchard's been in there for quite some time. But yeah, got to come out game four with a different mindset. I thought Tatum was going to go for at least 40 tonight or today, but he didn't. Obviously, he was very quiet. I don't know, maybe he's saving it for game four, or maybe when he goes back to the Garden, to Boston, give the fans something to, you know, cheer for, because the last two games were spooky. Because the Knicks can turn around and win tomorrow. Not tomorrow. When do they play again? I think next Saturday or next Sunday they play. So yeah, obviously, you know, there's a lot of teams that that the series didn't really go their way. So I could see the Knicks winning the next game, and then Boston going back, and or I could just see the Boston Celtics just steamrolling them. But yeah, yeah. Look at the score: 115-93. Not. I thought. Boston was in the groove. Can't really say much. Can't really say much. Tatum messed up my parlays, but it's all good. Thank gosh I picked the flex. Because if I went standard, man, I would have lost everything. So at least I got some money back, something back. But yeah,